Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify UnitedHealthcare coverage online, eligibility guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Type UnitedHealthcare in the search bar and hit enter. Click on the official UnitedHealthcare website link. Once on the home page, look for the sign in button at the top right corner. Click on the sign in button to access your account. If you do not have an account, click on Create Account to register. Fill in the required information to set up your account. After registering, return to the Sign In page. Enter your username and password, then click Sign In. Once logged in, navigate to the Member Benefits section. Look for Eligibility and Benefits in the menu. Click on Eligibility and Benefits to view your coverage details. Enter any required member information such as your member ID or date of birth. Click the Submit button to retrieve your coverage information. Review your eligibility results carefully. If you need further assistance, locate the customer support contact information on the site. Keep this information handy for any follow-up questions. Ensure you log out once you have finished checking your coverage. Close the browser window for added security. You're now finished with the verification process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.